guys, Cryvax here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install mods very simply. I'm just going to cut straight to the chase. So, step 1, you go to Google Chrome or whatever your preferred browser is, and you search up Overwolf mod installer. Bada boom. So quite simply, after that you click on the first link, and you got it. So you choose to download for Windows or download for Mac OS. So since I'm on Windows, I'm going to download it for Windows. So after you download it, you can go down here, pop-up thing should install. This should be the installer.exe. So after you run the installer, it's going to ask you for your admin password. I'm going to pause as I type in the admin password really quickly. Everything is set and done. Overwolf should be installing. After this, you click Welcome to Overwolf, the App Store for PC Gamers. You click Next. Yeah, you can create a desktop shortcut, yes. Then you click this standard install stuff. Overwolf should be finished installing, and it should be launched. So what you're going to use is, Overwolf is just the method that you're going to use to get to the mods. So the actual thing you're going to need to run mods is part of an app that is part of Overwolf. After Overwolf has finished installing, you click Launch. This nice screen that exists. Very nice. Look, you get a Welcome to Overwolf sign, and then it should pop up with the Overwolf app installer. You just click Got It. Classic. So then the in this section should be the area you want to download. So up in this, you can switch between the files. You want to install CurseForge. CurseForge is the primary thing. This is the thing that will be running the mods and launching it. So make sure you install this part. So you click Get This App. It should have this recommended thing, the rating, etc. You can read through all of this stuff if you want to. I already have. It's trustworthy. Install it. So, after this, it should show up with the dock. It's your hub for games and stuff. And then after it installs, then you can launch CurseForge. So, you get the Got It sign. And it should launch CurseForge for you. The CurseForge icon should also appear on your screen as here, and you can launch it from there. I personally recommend that you pin this to taskbar, as it is extremely helpful, and if you want to use it, then it is very nice. So, afterwards, you can choose any of the games to run mods on. In most of my videos, I'll be playing Minecraft mods. So, you choose the folder to get modding files. You continue, and it will get Minecraft ready for modding. So, you can get ready to install your Minecraft mods and get ready to play. In the next couple of videos, I'll be showing a couple of the mods that some of my friends have recommended to me. And I'll be doing some Let's Plays of them so that you can figure out which ones you like and which ones you want to play yourself. So, to install mod packs, you just go to Browse Mod Packs. You can do all sorts of mod packs. And for this example, for the next video, we'll be using RLCraft. So you quickly install it. It will be downloading, and then you can run it. So to open a mod pack that you've installed, after it's done loading, you just click on the Start button, and it should open up through your Minecraft launcher, and then you can play through there. Yeah, if you guys have any recommendations for mod packs you'd like me to play from CurseForge, then just drop them down in the comments below, and I will probably play those, honestly, if I have time to make it. I think that's going to wrap it up for today. I think I'm going to end it with me opening up RLCraft, and then we're going to get into playing that in the next video. See you guys next time. This has been Cryvax.